Sorry, Miss Jackson. I know I've been rude, but I'm the attraction. We a little toxic, but we got passion. We a little toxic and they got distracted. She showed a little ass and I had to go cash in. Couldn't imagine sex out of this world. I keep fucking on Saturn. Left from overboard like I've been playing Madden, but she swallowed it all. I mean, that's how it happened. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, but that's how I feel. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, but that's how I feel.
Right. I wanted to start it with this just amazing song, this amazing remix. This guy's sick on YouTube. He is literally sick. He's pretty good, actually. So I wanted to start off this video, actually, with the word stochastic. Stochastic. My buddy of mine was like, bro, you're like butchering it. And I heard my videos a couple times. And yep, I sure did. So he thought I was talking and saying statistics, but that was not what I was saying. Stochastic. This right here is called stochastic. So I just want to make sure that I'm clarifying. But no, for real. Spy actually today it just kind of was going sideways, right? Like it didn't go up and maybe drop down a little bit. I mean, if you look at it today, it looks like the high was 439 and the low was 437. So it really kind of played that sideways game, right? And so today I was going to show you guys a little bit, since the market is going to be closed on Monday, right? So we want to make sure that we're just well prepared for Tuesday, right? And so I want to show you kind of a brief play of what's looking like. So again, there's that big symmetrical wedge right here, the big yellow one, and then I have the little one here that it broke out of already. And once I break it down to the hourly here, I'll show you the resistance that it saw. But right now, like I told you in the past, or I shared with you guys in the past in my videos, that SPY in the long run, like, because remember this path, so right now it's on its low pointing up, so the stochastic is pointing up, and so really I'm kind of like in this stage right here. So once it goes up above the dotted line is really kind of where my sell goal is going to be, and so that's why I'm still bullish on it right now. And I think it's still going to go up. So really what I'm waiting for it is to get up to that above the dotted line right here, and that's when you know that it's overbought, right? And when it's overbought means like people are going to be started to take profits, they're going to start selling, and so that's when you want to get out, right? When things are overbought and they are above this dotted line right here. And so that's why these two right here, this is the RSI and this is the stochastic, and so those two are really powerful. And again, this is on the daily candle, right? And so as of right now, it's still under a sell signal. You see this right here. It's still saying that it's on a sell pattern, which means it's going down from this moving average, this MA cross right here. And it's perfect, right? Like here's MA cross, it is a sell, and like boom, look at it. It's just trending downward, which it is what it is, right? And so what I'm waiting for is that change to buy signal. And once it changes to buy, and this moving average, another star, pops up right here somewhere, then that means the direction is going to start going upward, right? And so you just really want to play defense right now. As far as those option players, just be careful, because right now it's sideways. So I really don't know if it's going to go up or down, but really the overall trend is upward, right? And so that's why my option call is 30 days out, right? To give it that time for it to go, because it's not here yet. And so kind of replicating this picture right here is really what you want to do technically, right? And so again, this is the hourly, the volume today. Let's see the volume. We'll see the MA ribbon as well. So today's volume was 74 million, right? The day before was 72 million. So if you notice, that 70, 90 range, it hasn't really moved. You really want to kind of, like, if you go up higher, you need a lot more volume, right? And so the MA ribbon right now, let me kind of pull this up so you can see it. Anytime that it's below this ribbon means it's on the sell signal, right? Like, look, it's right here. It says sell and it's below the ribbon, means it's just a lower. When it's above the ribbon, this is when it's amazing, and that's when really you can maximize and capitalize, right? So really what you want with the MA ribbon is you want it to be above it, and so right now obviously it's below it, and I know that. But today and yesterday we're literally right on it, and that's the break that we need. Is as soon as it breaks above this triangle, this symmetrical triangle right here, then that's what it tells me that potentially it's going to go up really. Hang on, let me just move it right here. So really, the base of this triangle is the movement up. So if I draw it right now, okay, and then, so anytime it breaks out of it, right there, it's that 460 range, which would be amazing, right, if it hits. But right now I'm not going to draw it because, it needs to break it first before I kind of make that indicator. And so as of right now, I'm waiting for that confirmation, right? And so this is kind of the hourly, my picture on the hourly. So now let's change it to the 4 hours. And so this is 4 hours. So if you notice, like, yesterday it went above it a little bit, and then today it went right on the MA ribbon. So again, it's hitting that. You see that yellow line, my triangle, like it's hitting it. It hit it twice on the 4 hour, but boom, it went down below it. So again, that's not very bullish right now because it needs to break above this triangle for it to really go upwards. So it is below the MA ribbon. If you look at the stochastic, see, I almost messed it up. The stochastic is starting to point down a little bit, right? And the RSI as well. Also, when you look at the squeeze momentum right here, it's still in the red and it's still under a signal. So really a lot of bearish signals right now on the 4 hour window. So it's not a lot of positive right now looking upward. And then if I change it to the hourly, hourly, it's a buy, right? So on the hourly, but there's not a lot of volume. You see this right here? It's just not a lot of volume. It's not very appeasing right now. And look at this. On the hourly, it's actually heading down strongly right now with the stochastic and the RSI, and it's building pressure on the squeeze momentum. So on the hourly, yeah, it's looking okay, but it's pointing down. But really, I really utilize the daily candle because the daily just tells me the overall run. And so I'm going to go back to the hourly to show you that line. So here's a triangle. Look, it hit it here, 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 and now it's below it on the hourly for the last couple of days now. So again, we need to break out of, I'll put a big blue circle. We need to break above this yellow right here, right? So this right here is where we need to break above. And once we do, then it will look really, really awesome. And then I'll buy more contracts on my call because I think it is bullish in the long run, again, like I said. But we just want to make sure that we're not just gambling and just saying, oh, yeah, it's going to go up. Like, let's make sure that we have some strong indicators to really show that it's going to go up. But this is kind of my SPY view. I hope you guys like it. I hope it's helpful. It's really fascinating, once you're able to really see like your play actually works out and just kind of how you predicted. Like it's just super cool and interesting, right? My next video, I'm going to make one on MicroStrategy, MSTR, because SPY and MicroStrategy are like my two that I'm really, really focusing on right now. And MicroStrategy is looking hella bullish right now. So I think I'm going to make another video on MSTR, probably maybe later tonight or maybe tomorrow. But I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, just love it. I love music, so I'm gonna be playing a lot of music. In the meantime, EDM lover, like I love music. I love festivals. Music makes me happy. Makes me just I don't know, makes me happy, man. Like I don't know how to explain it. It just I'm more energized. I'm more enjoying what I do, and like I love doing charts too while I'm listening to music. Like it just kind of like gives me that focus. And as you can see, Dame time. Hell yeah! Excited for my Blazers. Hope Dame don't leave, but all right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm loving this. This is amazing. Thank you. Please give me the thumbs up. Support me because this is fun. This is really, really fun. I hope you guys enjoy it. All right, peace.